What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from MPC Tunes. In this video I'm gonna make a beat using MPC Beats and Cubase. Alright, let's get started. So I have my Cubase already fired up. It's blank right now. You know what to do. Let's go ahead and add MPC Beats. It's gonna be the first instrument that I'm gonna add right now. Where is it? Oh, it's under drums. Let's check that out. Okay, here we go. So now the next thing we're gonna have to do is to choose the tempo. I'm kind of feeling 145 maybe. Let's go. I have no idea what kind of beat I'm gonna make. Let's program some drums for now. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and find some nice drum loops or one shot. Let me go with the kick first. Oh, I like this. Let's go. Alright, let's go ahead and add a snare. Ooh, I like that. Ooh. That's cool. Maybe I can use that. Let's go ahead and add some hi-hat. I like that one. I like this one as well. Oops. Okay, I want to try something like that. So let me see if the tempo that I chose is the correct one. Let me just use the retrospective recording to save the pattern that I just made. Okay, now let's record that. Okay, that's kind of cool, but I'm gonna need to quantize this one. So now, let me loop this one. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna need this kick to be a bit louder. Okay, all this kick, it should be kind of loud. So let's do that. This snare needs to be a bit more laid back. So I'm gonna go to the quantize here. And I'm gonna increase the ticks here, rough quantize, right? Now that we got the drum pattern, I'm gonna delete this one. I've got 8 bar of drum loops, but technically it's only 4 bars because I'm on double time. And now let's go ahead and add some hi-hat patterns. So patterns, I'm gonna be using this pattern creator here. I want both of these hi-hat, the open hat and the close hat, to have the same group so that it will choke each other. And how to choke them is very simple. So you see here mute group, right? So we're gonna change it to 1. Okay, and this one is also 1. Okay, so since both of them have the same group, now we will kind of cut each other, right? That's cool. I like that pattern. It's very cool. Okay, at the end of the 4th bar, I want it to have a different pattern here. Yeah. Oh, is I'm gonna export this as MIDI. So I'm gonna click on this one, right? And I'm gonna drag this one to this here, okay? And then I'm gonna just overlap them, and I'm gonna glue this one like so. Okay, now. The ratchet doesn't work here, so I'm gonna have to manually add the repeat here. Cool, I like that. I'm happy with the drums now. I'm gonna go ahead and add some pad sound. So I'm gonna use Vacuum Pro. Cool, I'm gonna repeat that pattern again. But this one, the first chord, I'm gonna drag it to the right so that I can have it a bit longer. That would be great. Invert these chords, right? To have a bit more space. Let's see how it sounds now. That's better. Now let's stick with that. Alright, so here we have some basic beats. Let me go and add a different synth. How about hybrid? Oh, that's cool. Okay, I'm gonna go to higher register because I couldn't hear it just now. Alright, maybe I should just reduce the volume here. Yeah, that's better. Kind of like that. So let's record it now. Let me quantize that guy. Terrible playing. Okay, I'm gonna just cut out the low. Okay, that's cool. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add a kontakt library now. I don't know why it sounds like that though. Let me transpose it down. Let me bring it down a little bit more. Something's wrong. And let's see how does this one sound. And let me bring this up a bit. I might change the tone of this guitar. That's fire. So let's add a bass maybe, or should I use a sublab? Let's try sublab. So F minor, and then goes D flat, E flat. All right, got it. Let's go. Change this a bit. This should be E flat. Yeah, it's okay. And this one should be C. Yeah, I'm gonna have some kind of glide happening here. Let's see. Yeah. Let's try that now. Okay, I want the C to also glide a little bit. I'm okay with that. So, I think the bass is ready. Let's change this one here. Okay, the hi-hat here. I'm gonna have to reduce the volume. I would start the song without the drums and okay, let the drums start from here. So the bass will start at the second section here. Okay, so that's kind of a short verse, so I don't want that. So let me increase the length of this verse. I'm going to transpose this down. So let's go. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this beat, and if you guys did, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, smash the like button, and share this video to everybody. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.